Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've been keeping an eye on CES 2024, you know it's been filled with groundbreaking tech. But today we're diving into something truly special, LG's new AI agent. This little robot might just be the future of home automation, and it's not what you think. So let's take a closer look at how LG's AI agent is set to revolutionize the way we live. Imagine a home where technology anticipates your every need, where the tasks you used to handle are now managed seamlessly by a robot. That's exactly what LG aims to do with their AI agent, a robotic home manager that's more than just your average smart assistant. Unlike the voice assistants you're used to, like Siri or Alexa, LG's AI agent doesn't just respond to commands. It's designed to learn from you. Equipped with a camera, sensors, and speakers, this robot isn't just reactive, it's proactive. It's got the ability to monitor your home's temperature, humidity, and even air quality, giving you real-time feedback to help make your living space more comfortable and efficient. And it doesn't stop there. If you forget to close a window or leave a light on, the AI agent can send an alert to your smartphone to remind you to take care of it, or even do it itself. It's all about making sure your home is running at peak efficiency without any extra work on your part. The AI agent even goes a step further by learning how you feel. Through facial expressions and tone of voice, it can gauge your mood and play the perfect music to match, whether you need to unwind or get pumped up for the day. And it doesn't just connect to your voice assistant. The AI agent syncs with your entire home ecosystem. It can control smart lights, appliances, and outlets and adapt to your daily routines, making your home smarter, safer, and more responsive. The idea is simple. LG wants the AI agent to help you with everything, from managing energy usage to keeping your home tidy, so you can focus on the things that matter most to you. LG calls this a zero-labor home, a space where the technology is smart enough to work for you, not the other way around. And while we don't have a release date just yet, it's clear that LG is thinking big with this one. So what do you think? Would you let an AI-driven robot take care of your home? Let us know in the comments below if you're excited to welcome this futuristic assistant into your life. And of course, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more tech updates, and ring the bell so you don't miss any of our CES 2024 coverage. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.